What I wish I knew about the dollar's power, instead of just trusting the hype. Let's dig deeper. Comment below with your guess. Why is the dollar really king? We'll break down the myths, the history, and the secrets driving the world's strongest currency. Ready? Let's uncover the truth. Most people think the dollar dominates because America has the biggest economy. After all, the US GDP is over $25 trillion. And sure, America trades with everyone. But here's what they don't tell you in economics class. China manufactures more goods than anyone else, and their economy is catching up fast. The European Union combined has a larger economy than the US, so why isn't the yuan or euro the world's reserve currency? Pause here. Drop your biggest money mistake in the comments. The real story starts in 1944, at a hotel in New Hampshire. World leaders agreed. The dollar would be backed by gold, and every other currency would be tied to the dollar. But in 1971, President Nixon broke that promise. Here's the genius move nobody talks about. America made a deal with Saudi Arabia and OPEC. Oil could only be bought and sold in US dollars. Suddenly, every country needed dollars to buy energy. Then came the ultimate power move, the SWIFT banking system. Almost every international transaction flows through US banks. This gives America the power to cut off any country from global finance. Getting value? Hit subscribe. Let's level up together. The dollar's strength rests on three unshakable pillars. First, military dominance. Second, financial infrastructure that the world depends on. Third, control over global energy markets through the petrodollar. Together, they create an unbreakable cycle. Countries need dollars for oil and trade, so they buy US Treasury bonds, which funds the military that protects this system. It's a self-reinforcing loop that's lasted over 50 years. But cracks are appearing. China's launching a digital yuan, Russia's building alternative payment systems, and cryptocurrency threatens the entire traditional system. The question isn't if change will come, but when. Here's what this means for you. Don't put all your wealth in one currency, even the dollar. Understand that financial power is about systems, not just economics, and prepare for a world where multiple currencies might share power. Which strategy are you trying first? Drop it below, I'll reply. Want part 2? Tap like and I'll release the next episode. Join the Financial Freedom Challenge, one episode at a time. Let's build.